Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a king of chemicals. Right on that point. H2SO4 is a king of chemicals. King of chemicals, Nana. King of chemicals. Okay. So how to prepare H2SO4? H2SO4 is manufacturing by contact process, which involve three steps. These three steps are very important. So write down one by one. Write down the point. H2SO4 is manufacturing by, write down another pen. H2SO4 is manufacturing. H2SO4 is manufacturing or manufactured by the contact process. Contact process. Okay. Contact process. Contact process. It involves three steps. It involves three steps. Three steps. What are three steps involved in the contact process? First step is burning of sulfur. First step is burning of sulfur or sulfide ores in air to generate sulfur dioxide. What is the equation? Sulfur treated with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. That is the first step. And the second step is conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. That is second step. And third step is absorption of sulfur trioxide in H2SO4 to give oleum. Oleum. So to keep the key step in the manufacturing of H2SO4. Okay. So write down one by one. So three-step process. The first step is, so write down first step. Step one. Write down side heading. Step one. What is the first step? Burning of sulfur. Burning. Burning means what? It reacts with oxygen. Burning of sulfur. Burning of sulfur or sulfide ore. Any example for sulfide ore, Nana? Any example for sulfide ore? Tell me any example for sulfide ore, anyone? Huh? Anyone? No one is there. No one is there. Ore means, for example, Zelena. What is the chemical component of Zelena?
PBS.
PBS, lead sulfide. This is one of the ore. Zinc blende, ZNS. So these are ores, Nana. Don't confuse about its ore. Sulfide ores are example for Zelena, zinc blende. Okay. When burning of sulfur or sulfide ore, it can be easily generate the sulfur dioxide. So that is first step. For example, so here when sulfur treated with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. So this is first step. And next second step. What is the step number 2? Conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. How to convert sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide? So SO2 can be converted into SO3. If can use 3SO2, so here it's not necessary for balancing equation. How to convert? So sulfur dioxide can be converted into sulfur trioxide by using this one catalyst, that is vanadium pentoxide. This is very important. So which one is catalyst required for the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide? Vanadium pentoxide. This is the second step. And next, third step. Step number 3. Step number 3. What is step number 3? Absorption of sulfur trioxide in H2SO4 to give H2S2O7. What is the name of H2S2O7? Absorption of SO3 in H2SO4. H2SO4 to give oleum. To give oleum, nana. Oleum. Oleum. What is the formula of oleum? H2S2O7. 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 So here SO3 will treated with H2SO4. It will be formed oleum. So oleum is pyrosulfuric acid. Pyrosulfuric acid is also called as oleum, nana. So this is the third step. So here I will not explain in the second step how to convert sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. So this is very important. Conditions and catalyst also very important. So here how to convert. Okay, now write down in this conversion. The actually it is the key step in the manufacturing of H2SO4. That's why we discussed about the SO2 to SO3. So which one is key step? The key step, right on next slide. The key step in manufacturing of H2SO4 is sulfur dioxide can be converted into sulfur trioxide. What happens in this reaction? When sulfur dioxide treated with oxygen or burning with oxygen, it will be formed sulfur trioxide. The equation is not balanced. Okay. So if you take 2 moles of sulfur dioxide, here also 2 moles, 2 3 just 6, here 4, here 6. Total equation is balanced. Sulfur trioxide is a gas. Here oxygen is also gas. Everything is gas. It is called homogeneous reaction. Homogeneous means all phases are same. Which one will be required? Vanadium pentoxide, it behaves as a catalyst. In this reaction, the amount of energy will be minus 196.6 kilojoules per mole. So tell me the answer according to Le Chatelier. In contact process, what are the conditions required?
High pressure, low temperature.
High pressure, low temperature required for the contact process. This is very important step. That's why it is key role in the manufacturing of H2SO4 nano. Okay, it decides delta H. Delta H is negative, indicates exothermic reaction. Exothermic means the reaction is a forward reaction and reversible. It leads to decreasing in the volume. Therefore, low temperature, high pressures are favorable conditions. Okay, according to Le Chatelier. Write down the points. Write down that points. No? The reaction is exothermic. The reaction is exothermic. Okay. Reversible, exothermic, reversible. Reversible indicates, here I am not showing reversible. This is reversible. Okay. So reversible and forward reaction. Forward reaction means what? Reactants can be converted into product or product can be converted into reactant. So reactant can be converted into product. Forward reaction. Okay. So therefore, delta H is negative means the number of volume decreases or increases, Nana? According to Le Chatelier, the number of volumes will be decreases. So forward reaction leads to, according to Le Chatelier, leads to a decrease in volume. Therefore, low temperature and high pressure will be, high pressure or favorable conditions are favorable conditions. Favorable conditions, Nana. Favorable conditions for the contact process. The temperature should not be low other than rate of the reaction will be slow. Okay, so here low temperature, high pressure will be required for this contact process. This is the conditions and three steps process. In the examination point of view, write down three steps only, but conditions are necessary, ma. Okay, conditions and must and should. You can mention the last condition. It will totally 3 marks will be decided the condition only. Okay, this is the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. The diagram also there. We can see the in NCERT in our material. So it is not necessary for diagram in examination. What are the steps involved in the contact process? That is the most important. And one next here, temperature is low and pressure is high. How much pressure, how much temperature is required in this contact process? Write down that one also. So the plant is operated at pressure of this total manufacturing means plant. The plant is operated at a pressure of 2 bar a pressure of 2 bar pressure 2 bar and a temperature of 720 720 Kelvin. So these are the temperature and pressure conditions. Okay, so the sulfur dioxide gas formed at a catalytic converter is observed in the H2SO4 to produce volume. So next, dilution of volume with water gives the H2SO4. So it is desired reaction, desired concentration. H2SO4 obtained by contact process is 96 to 98% pure. How much yield is possible for in this process? 96 to 98%. It is yield. Yield means producing of product formation. So that is also most important in this point of view contact process. But in the 2 pointer. So here already you know the H2SO4 will be already given the SO3 treated with H2SO4. It will give the volume. Okay. Write a note in this contact process. H2SO4 obtained H2SO4 obtained by contact process is 96 to 98%. 96 to 98% pure. Okay, so these are the manufacturing of H2SO4 by contact process, Nana. Okay, so here